Okay, YouTubers. VSG Kirk's What's in Your Fridge? Here's what's in my fridge. Okay. So, anyways, I do have 2 kids, a 7-year-old, and my son is going to be 20 in March. So, the orange soda, my son's. Lion Punch, my daughter's. Actually, these fruit cups are hers, too. My food, eggs. Ground turkey. I got these to try. Don't like them. Milk for protein shakes. This is probably what I have. I bought this to try for making chicken. My Cabot Vermont Seriously Snacking Cheese. The light, 50 calories. It has 6 grams of protein for one. There's 2 of them. Just regular cheese that I put on my eggs. Some turkey. And some light string cheese, the cheese head, which are also 7 grams and 50 calories. So, anyways, that's basically what I live on. Eggs and cheese. And ground beef. Turkey, not beef. Beef doesn't go well. Skim milk for my protein shakes. Lots of flavorings and stuff. Teriyaki sauce and some marinade. Mrs. Dash. I haven't tried it yet. Salt-free. Lowry's Steak and Shop. I like that a lot. Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. This is actually from before surgery. 15 grams of sugar. I don't think that's too bad considering. I have an allergy to aspartame, so anyways, that's the fridge part. Peekaboo freezer. No light in there. Mostly for kids. There's some meat. There's a small shepherd's pie. I have not tried because beef isn't going well. Kids. Turkey burgers. Kids. Some other meat. Chicken nuggets for the kids. More chicken. More ground. Oh, you can't see it. More ground turkey in there. And that's it. That's my fridge. And that's covered with my protein. I don't like the Anjuri chicken broth now. I did before surgery, but I think it's gross now. That's Gold Standard. What the heck's it called? Extreme Milk Chocolate. I also use Premier, but I'm out of them. So, okay, that's it.